Saraswati, World Thalassemia Day, 8th May. Khelo India Youth Games 2020, 4th event, held at Guwahati, Assam. First winner Maharashtra, second winner Haryana, third winner Delhi. Torchbearer opening ceremony Hima Das. Hima Das nickname Thing Express. Sunil Chhetri has been chosen for FIFA campaign against COVID-19. Sunil Chhetri, Indian footballer, he is the brand ambassador of Puma. FIFA headquarters, Zurich, Switzerland. Rajasthan is going to observe No Vehicles Day on the first day of every month 2020. राजस्थान के बारे में कुछ जान लेते हैं। राजस्थान एरिया वाइज लार्जेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया। गवर्नर ऑफ राजस्थान कालराज मिश्रा। चीफ मिनिस्टर अशोक गहलोत। डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर सचिन पायलट। दिलवाड़ा जैन टेम्पल मेड बाय विमल शाह जो राजस्थान में है। सेंचुरीज वहाँ पे है सरिस्का सेंचुरीज, रांताफोर्ट टाइगर सेंचुरीज, केवलादियो घाना नेशनल पार्क। माउंट आबू जो कि राजस्थान में है। भरतपुर फोर्ट मेड बाय सूरजमल सिंह वो भी राजस्थान में है। अढ़ाई दिन का झोपड़ा अजमेर राजस्थान में है, मेड बाय कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। विजय स्तंभ इन चित्तौड़गढ़ मेड बाय राणा कुंभ। नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट मेड बाय सवाई जय सिंह। राजस्थान की डांस फॉर्म है घूमर जो कि फेमस है। सुमन कटपालिया CEO and MD of IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank headquartered Pune. 2020 Abel Prize winner Grigory Margolis from Russia and Hillel Furstenberg, Israel. Abel Prize given in the field mathematics. Prize amount 7.5 million runer. Host country Norway. It is a Norwegian prize. CEO of Walmart India Samir Agarwal. World Press Freedom Day 3rd May. Theme Journalism without fear or favor. Host country Netherlands. Kashmir saffron gets GI tag. Ayush Sanjeevani app launched by Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Health Minister. 8th May, World Red Cross Day. Red Cross founder Henry Dunant and Gustav Moynier. Tarun Bajaj has been selected for Economic Affairs Secretary. Gayatri I. Kumar has been appointed Chief High Commissioner to the United Kingdom. Paytm Payment Bank CEO Satish Kumar Gupta. Mr. N.S. Srinath, Chairman of Karur Vaishya Bank. Karur Vaishya Bank headquartered Karur, Tamil Nadu. Harshvardhan Singla has been appointed 33 Foreign Secretary of India. Recently, Satyarup Siddhanta, Indian mountaineer, has entered Limca Book of Record. US country finally quit World Health Organization. World Health Organization headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Establishment 1948. Deputy Director General Soumya Swaminathan, daughter of M.S. Swaminathan. Australia has conferred its highest civilian order of Australia to Bicon founder Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has been Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has been elected as the chairman of WHO. Microsoft announced a partnership with State Bank of India to train differently abled people to find job in the banking and insurance sector. Manoj Jain, Chairman and Managing Director of National Gas Measure GAIL GAIL. Sujalam Sufalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan scheme launched by गुजरात. कुछ गुजरात के बारे में हम लोग जान लेते हैं. गुजरात कैपिटल गांधीनगर. गवर्नर आचार्य देवव्रत. चीफ मिनिस्टर विजय रूपानी. काकाड़िया लेक अहमदाबाद गुजरात मेड बाय सुल्तान कुतुबुद्दीन. गिर फॉरेस्ट इज फेमस फॉर एशियाटिक लायन in Gujarat. Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat. Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat. Sardar Sarovar Project in Gujarat, the largest river valley scheme in India. Ukai Project on Tapti River, also in Gujarat. Kakrabada Project on Tapti River, State Gujarat. Jeevan Amrit Yojana to boost the immune system of the people to fight COVID-19 scheme launched by मध्य प्रदेश. मध्य प्रदेश के बारे में कुछ जान लेते हैं. मध्य प्रदेश कैपिटल भोपाल. चंबल वैली प्रोजेक्ट मध्य प्रदेश राजस्थान on river Chambal. National Parks. कान्हा नेशनल पार्क. शिवपुरी नेशनल पार्क. धौड़ फोर्ट धौड़ मध्य प्रदेश मेड बाय मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक. कांडारी महादेव खाजुराहो मध्य प्रदेश मेड बाय कैंडेला किंग्स. मृगनयनी पैलेस ग्वालियर मध्य प्रदेश मेड बाय राजा मानसिंह तोमार. Exit app launched by West Bengal. Manipur government to introduce food bank to help hunger people. Saurav Lodha has been honored with the Young Career Award in Science and Technology 2020. Deepak Nair, the Indian economist, appointed chairman of Board of Trust for Institute University Sussex in UK. Khelo India University Games 2020 host state Odisha Kalinga. Tarun Bajaj, new director on Central Board of Reserve Bank of India. हम नहीं मरेंगे थीम सॉन्ग बाय HDFC बैंक ड्यूरिंग COVID-19. MSME सेक्रेटरी A.K. शर्मा. Dia Mirza, the film actress, goodwill ambassador of UNEP till 2022. UNEP headquarters Nairobi, Kenya. Thangjam Dhawali Singh, a doctor from Manipur, has been conferred the Order of Rising Sun, Japan. Japan capital Tokyo. Japan, also known as the land of rising sun. Manipur capital Imphal. Loktak Lake situated in Manipur. Surakshit Dada Dadi and Nana Nani Abhiyan for senior citizen during COVID-19 by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog Chairman Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Ayush Sanjeevani app launched by Dr. Harshvardhan. Reliance India Mutual Fund, new name Nippon India Mutual Fund. Global Hunger Index, India's position 102 out of 117 countries. Chabahar project in India, Iran and Afghanistan. Ministry of Coal, Prahlad Joshi.